In this video, I am going to guide you about linking SpotHero with your phone calendar. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the SpotHero app on your phone and log into your account. 2. Navigate to the settings or menu section of the app. 3. Look for the option labeled Calendar Sync or Link to Calendar. 4. Tap on it and choose your preferred calendar app such as Google Calendar or iPhone Calendar. 5. Grant the necessary permissions to allow SpotHero to access your calendar. 6. Confirm the settings such as whether to add all reservations or specific ones. 7. Complete the setup and verify that SpotHero reservations appear in your calendar. 8. Test the integration by making a booking to see if it's automatically added. You are all set. SpotHero is now linked with your phone calendar for better planning.